Ito hindi na siya virgin. May experience na siya. Kaya yung isa virgin, ito hindi na virgin. Sa mga di na single tulad ko, hashtag di na single because single-use plastic wala na. Free bottles! So if you forgot your container, it's not an all-vegan store, but it's an eco-friendly store. So how does it work? Bibalik ko to, tapos dito tayo.
Magtitake po tayo.
So you won't get charged for the weight of the
Haba. Pagtapos dyan, ma'am, inulitin din natin.
And this is coconut cooking oil because here in the Philippines, marami tayong coconut. So why not? Why not coconut? Ito hindi na siya virgin. May experience na siya. Kaya yung isa virgin, ito hindi na virgin. Pag virgin coconut cooking oil kasi, mas lasang yung coconut, no? Maganda. Tapos ano naman tigi-tigi?
Ano ma'am? Tingi po.
Tingi. Tingi. Ibig sabihin, pa konti-konti pwede. And I really love unrefined sea salt in cooking because it has a lot of minerals and more dimension into the flavors of what you're cooking. Especially from sea salt of the Philippines. It's a little more briny. Even here in the Philippines, when ang hilig natin sa plastic that, plastic there, sa palengke pa lang if you're going to buy, ready na yung plastic bag. There are still stores like this that exist na anti-plastic, bawal. We have laundry detergent, so I'm gonna need some of that. Dishwashing liquid for sure, and hand soap. It discloses the ingredients. It has an ingredients list. So if you're not sure, then if it's vegan or not, you can read. So meron tayong panglinis ng bahay, pero meron tayong panglinis
Personal
ng
care.
katawan.
Ito ma'am, ito po Shakon ma'am. Shampoo and conditioner po na bar.
I got my shopping done. This is my cooking oil, my salt, and my laundry detergent. So I am very happy that this is very eco-friendly. I don't have to waste anything, including the receipt. It's paperless, so they just email it to me. You have an electronic copy that you can always come back to if it's emailed to you. So thank you so much, B2B Store. See you next time.